Hello, magandang umaga po, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa Earth elements na Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. Bibigyan ko kayo ng timeless reading para sa mga natitirang araw, linggo ng buwan ng June. Lala Baby, nagpapakilala po. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and shares para lang po lumago ang channel ng Lola. So this is general po, hindi po ito personal reading. Yan ha. So simulan natin. Naririto ang tinatawag na the Queen of Pentacles. Yan ha. Okay. It's about your wealth, your love. Okay. It has something to do about wealth, love, work, your goals, your missions. Diba? So, naririto ang tinatawag na 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The 10 of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na money is coming to you. Yan, manifesting po ha. On the way na money. Yan ha. Darating na po sa inyo. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the 4 of Pentacles. Diba? So, it has something to do about a recognition, applause, acclamation, diba? Whatever is this, ibig sabihin nito, it has something to do about you will be promoted, okay? An increase in money. It has something to do about your reputation, your names, babango ang pangalan mo, okay? Yan, it's about tinatawag gaining, increasing popularity, gaining friends, gaining wealth, diba? So, ano man po ito, it's puro tinatawag na wealth. Yan ha, okay? It's coming po on the way na manifesting. Yan ha, it will be granted to you. So, tinatawag na the six of wands. So, ibig po sabihin yan, the 6 of wands, it's about your blessings. Okay? Malaki, meron tinatawag malaking transformation. Okay? Na mangyayari, especially sa inyong profession. It's about your work ang nakikita ko dito. Ayan. So, you will be lift up. Ibig sabihin nito, may magli-lift up sa inyo. You will be lift up by people. Maybe ito yung mga kasamahan mo sa trabaho. Maybe your boss. There is yung tinatawag na ano tawag dito? Promotion. Diba? Pagbobotohan. Okay? So, there is also a travel planning. Okay, meron dito tinatawag travel planning. So, it's more about acceleration. Bigla mag-a-accelerate ang inyong tinatawag na kabuhayan. Diba? Ang inyong tinatawag na posisyon sa buhay. Okay? It's about your tinatawag name. Diba? It's about your tinatawag na reputation, diba? It has something to do about your profession, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the five of cups, diba? Ibig sabihin nito, wealth is coming. Yan ha, okay? Success sa trabaho, success sa relationship. It's like tinatawag gains, wins, winning, victory. Yan ha, provision. Yan. So, whatever is this, it's like tinatawag salubungan na ito. Salubungan, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na may mga darating na. Darating na po ito sa inyo. Expect po, okay? Expected na ito. Darating na po ito sa inyo. Okay? Magmamaterialize na. So, ibig sabihin nito, lumabas na ang tinatawag na the world, okay? It's like the world is in your hands. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na you will be called, okay? You will be summoned to receive this, okay? What is that? Ibig sabihin niyan, tinatawag wealth, malaking wealth ito. It's like tinatawag, never in your life you receive, never in your life na marireceive mo ito. Diba? It's like tinatawag, secured na ang iyong tinatawag na kinabukasan, secured na ang iyong buhay, secured na ang iyong tinatawag retirements, di ba? It's like batang-bata ka pa, alam mo na secured na ang iyong tinatawag na future. Okay? It's about your future secured na. Okay? So, meron ditong tinatawag na the Six of Wands. It's like you are voted by people. You are voted by people. Yan, no? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na promotion, di ba? Rewards. Yan, ha? So for some of you, ibig sabihin nito contentment, di ba? It's like tinatawag, you don't have to work very hard kasi narito na ang tinatawag victory. So narito ang tinatawag the lovers, the attractions, di ba? It's like naririto for some of you, if you are single, someone will enter your life, diba? Someone, it's like tinatawag meron kayong makikilala, maybe by means of social media, diba? Maaring sa dating apps, maaring by, sa tinatawag trabaho ninyo, okay? So, ibig sabihin for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, yung buhay mo is magkakaroon ng kulay. Yan, ha? Kung kayo'y single, nakikita ko lang dyan, ha? Okay. So, ano pa? Sandali lang, ha? Ano ito? Tinatawag na the six of wands, di ba? So, it's more about tinatawag na, yan, for some of you, ha? Kung ano itong the six of wands na ito, yan, Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, maybe it has something to do about pamamanhikan, a marriage proposal. Yan, ha? Okay. Rich, yan, may papasok. Hindi na magiging malungkot ang buhay ninyo, okay? So, for some of you, it's tinatawag the Page of Cups, yan. Sa Page of Cups, ibig sabihin nito, it's about your happiness, it's about your contentments, it's about tinatawag na your relationship to society, di ba? Yan. So for some of you, what you are posting, yan, what you are sharing to your social media, it's like you are sharing, okay? It's about your accomplishment. Maybe you are sharing your new girlfriends, okay? Maybe you are sharing about your achievements. Yun ang nakikita ko. So for some of you, there is a tinatawag paghahanda. There is a travel, okay? Paghahanda. A trouble. So for some of you, 10 of Swords, nakikita dito, ha? It's like you will be approached by, hindi ko lang po alam, ha? Be more tinatawag na use your intuition, di ba? You will be approached by, ang nakikita ko dito is the past. Yan, ha? Okay. I think the past, it's like they want to makipag-ayos sa inyo, ha? Kung sino man yung gusto makipag-ayos sa inyo, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na use your intuition, okay? So, Three of Pentacles, ibig sabihin nito na tinatawag na people have high regards of you. Ibig sabihin nito, for some of you, you can talk matalino itong taong ito, tinatawag Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, very, very convincing, okay? Yung inyong tinatawag na talino, your intelligence, okay? So, for some of you, maybe sabihin na natin you are working with a lot of people, maybe it has something to do about your profession. Maybe this is your profession because you are showing them, okay? You are showing them. So, ibig sabihin nito, nakikita dito yung tinatawag na very, very, they are not hearing, they are listening, di ba? It's like, ina-absorb nila, okay? Bawat salitang sinasabi mo, okay? So, ibig sabihin na to, attracted sila sa kung ano itong sinasabi ninyo. It's like tinatawag na magaling magsalita itong Capricorn, the Taurus, the Virgo. Very, very convincing. Diba? Yan. So, ano pa ito? Sandali, ha? So, it's like tinatawag, someone from the past will come. Okay? Be ready. Someone from the past will come. Nakikita ko dito, okay? So, narito yung tinatawag na the Seven of Pentacles, di ba? Okay? So, what is the Seven of Pentacles? It's about your reputation. It's about you. Yan, no? Di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, you have everything. It's like you have all the privileges. Kung ito'y tinatawag na sila at ikaw, you have all the privileges, okay? Compared to others. Yan ha, okay? So mag-iingat lang din dahil meron tinatawag gustong magbalik, okay? It's like a thief in the night, unexpected ito, okay? So, sandali lang ha, the Queen of Stakes, yan, okay? So, ano itong the Queen of Stakes na ito? The Aries, the Leo, the Sagittarius, yan, okay? Yan. So, it's like tinatawag na someone, okay, wants to, ang nakikita ko dito ay someone from the past, di ba? Yan, oh. Kasi naman ito, they are hoping, di ba, na papasukin mo sila sa buhay ninyo, okay? They are hoping you will welcome them, ibabalik mo sila sa buhay ninyo. Ay, hindi ko lang po alam kung sino yan, ha? Yun lang ang nakita ko. So, for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, it's about your victory. Yan, no? It's about success na ito, ha? Dahil pumalo na sa tinatawag na 9 of Wands. It's about your success. Yan, oh. Okay po? Yan, oh. Yan, ha? Yan, oh. Kita ninyo. Yan, oh. Your success na, ha? Okay. Is tinatawag dito na ano na ito, manifesting. Whatever is this, ha? Manifesting na po. Yan, oh. So, ito naman is more about tinatawag na the Six of Cups. Yan na, whatever is this, tinatawag na, it's like, ano ito, family, okay? It's more about family, siblings, di ba? Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, it's like a relationship, okay? Yan. With your siblings, okay? Yan, maaring sabihin na nating nostalgia, okay? It's about more nostalgic ito. Yan ha, okay? Maybe it has something to do about flashback, magbabalik the memories when you were still small, di ba? Yan. So, yun lang po nakikita ko dahil dito ha. It's like meron ditong tinatawag gustong kumonek sa inyo. Okay? Gusto silang kumonek sa inyo. It's something to do about from the past. Yan ha. Yan. Kasi naman ito. Maaari ito sabihin natin kapatid mo or mga kapatid mo sa iyong ama or sa iyong ina. Diba? Yan o. So, it's more about tinatawag na roots. Diba? Anong tawag dito? Nostalgic. It's more about the past coming back. So, whatever is this, yan, oh. Okay? Manifesting na po ito. Iingat lang ha kung sino itong mga gustong magbalik sa buhay ninyo. It's like tinatawag na, yan, oh. It's like I do not know their intentions, ha? Okay? It's like ito kayo, di ba? Yan, they have, siguro meron sila dito mga intention kaya gusto nila magbalik sa buhay ninyo. Okay? Oo. So, kaya dito malakas itong tinatawag na the Five of Cups. Ito yung tinatawag pangangailangan. Either pangangailangan mo or pangangailangan nila. So, if you have a pangangailangan, ibig sabihin nito, you will no longer. It's like magmamaterialize, manifesting. Yung pangangailangan mo, mamimit mo. Okay? Or yung pangangailangan nila, mamimit nila from you. Okay, it's like tinatawag, ipo-provide, you will give it. Because you need it too. It's like tinatawag, soulmate. Maybe they are your soulmates. Diba? Maybe you found your soulmates. So, kaya dito lumabas ang the 10 of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin nito, magmamanifest, magmamaterialize. What is missing?